Hey guys, if Instagram Edits is lagging, here's the fix. So close Instagram Edits and go to your phone settings. Once you're on settings, go ahead to General, click General and go to iPhone storage. Next, look for Instagram Edits and open it. Next, click Offload app. Click Offload app once more and you will see Reinstall app, then tap on that. So if you click that, that will reinstall the app and place back all the app data and documents that are still present on this iPhone or on your phone. So click reinstall app. So this will free up storage used by the app but keep its documents and data. Now once done, close your settings and open Instagram edits and see if that solves the problem. Now if it's still lagging, you can go to App Store, then search for Instagram edits. Click the second one and see if you need to update Instagram edits to its latest version. So if you see an update button in there, go ahead and click on that. And once updated, open it again and see if that works. Now, if that still doesn't work, what you need to do is to reinstall or to remove the app and install it again. So press and hold the app and click remove app, then click delete app. Confirm the action, then go to App Store or Play Store, click the cloud icon to install it again, and wait for it to be installed. Once done, click on Open and sign in if you need to and see if that works or that solves your problem. And that's it. Thank you for watching.